Hey guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. Happy Friendship Friday. This open collaboration is hosted by my dear crafty friend Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic. I got some mail in my P.O. box, and the first one is from Misty. Her channel is Mystical Misty 1, so thank you so much. Look at the sticker there. And I know she's put some other stickers, so I'll just cover the address. There's the other one. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, look at that. I love cute Halloween little themes. So this is cute but spooky. I love it. And look at her dress and how she's layered it. You can even see her shoes. And I love her bow and those lashes. Oh my goodness, really cool. Let's open it up. It says, "Hi Kara, hi Emmy. I hope you have an amazing fall and Halloween season." Misty, thank you very much. And inside, oh my gosh, if you're not familiar with Misty's channel, she had made some of these amazing altered playing cards. And I love what she did here. Did the distressing, created a little window, and put an image inside, which is super awesome. I love this ATC, so I am going to put this in my ATC collection from all my wonderful friends. Misty, thank you so much. Make sure to check out her channel. She is a wonderful journal maker, crafter, and right now she's working and sharing her page layouts for Oddtober, which is hosted by Pink Odd Bird. And I think there are a few other friends that have joined that collaboration, like Lori from PewDiePie Designs. But just make sure to check out Misty's channel. I will link it down below. Again, Misty, thank you so much. Now let's open some Happy Price mail. This next Happy mail is wonderful price pack that traveled really far from the United Kingdom. It is Alex's channel. It's a bullet for my snail mail. If you're not familiar with her channel, she is a wonderful crafter. I love her project shares, her ATCs. She's done collaborations with other crafters. Recently, she posted Monster Mash 23, and I love the project that she shared there. I love her unboxings. And this particular price pack was for a design team project that she had made. So I am super excited to unbox it. It was a beautiful piece, and I feel super, super lucky to have won this. So let's open it up. Oh my gosh, look at that. She drew a cute little snail mail. Thank you very much. Oh my goodness. And I love the heart there. Let me open this card. Oh my goodness. Take a look at this owl. Is that amazing? I have no patience when paper piecing die cuts that have so many elements. And as you can see here, this takes a lot of work to do and put together. It is gorgeous. Let me just see the back side. And there is her maker's mark, handmade with love, a bullet for my snail mail. Let me read this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. All right, I'm super excited. Let's open it up again. Alex, thank you so much. Look at this tissue paper that she put on top. I don't know if you can see it, but there is some embossed flowers and leaves on it. Super cool. Oh my goodness, there is tons of goodies in here. I see chocolate. Oh yes, I have not had Mars in so long. So thank you so much for sharing this. I'm going to share it with my daughter, Emmy. And speaking of daughters, Alex has an adorable daughter, Evie, who actually has her own channel here on YouTube where she does some crafting. So I will link both their channels down below. And this is called Tang Fantastic. Oh my God, I can't say it. Tang Fastics. So I'm guessing that they're tangy and a little sour. This is going to be yummy. Next one is Giant Straws. Oh my gosh, super cool. And look at the cute illustrations on there. I love the ones with the marshmallow too. And this says with fruit juice. This is Star Mix. This one looks like a little ring, or actually it's like a little spaceship. Another one of our chocolate bars. I'm gonna have to send you some from our area here that I think you guys will love. So I'll mail it out to you, Alex. And then we have some pip stickers with these page flags, which are perfect for our journals and planners. And what is this? transparent, oh my gosh, transparent sticky notes. I've never seen this. It also has a little ruler on the back, so you can use that for a mini paper pad. And I love using transparencies or overlays on some of my journals, so this will be awesome. That is so cool. Another yummy here, Super Mix Haribo. And what is this? Nouveau Shimmer. And I'm guessing this is something you can use for embossing our cards and other crafty projects. Look at the beautiful little bottle that it's in. That's super awesome. Oh my gosh. She has also added this cute little mini, sorry about the light, wood veneer. I'm gonna turn off that light. It's a little glary, but I'm definitely gonna try and see if I can adhere this on the top of the back of the turtle or the shell or even this dolphin. Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing this. Oh my gosh. This is the design team project that she had put up for grabs for the giveaway. And I feel super, super lucky to have won it. Now I'm going to put this for our last, save the best for last. Oh my gosh. We have these gemmy little washi, and I love the purples. It's matching the card here. That's super cute. We got washi tape, Craft Perfect washi tape from Tonic Studios. Love gold foil, and look at that. There's silver. I love that these are textured. Another Nouveau Acid Instant. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna test this out as well. It looks like they're sequins perfect for shakers and other projects. And look at this. This is Nouveau Embellishment Mousse. I have not personally tried this, so this will be fun to add some dimension to our embossed cards and put some of that color. That would be really fun to try out. So thank you for sharing that. And what is this? Ladybugs. I love whimsical fairy garden themed items. So this will be fun to add on ATCs and other projects, maybe memory decks cards. You have to check out Alex's channel. She has some of the most amazing shaker shares and other project shares. She's also been really supportive of a lot of her crafty channels. Recently, I saw her post her Monster Mash 23, which is an open collaboration that she's joined, hosted by Veronica from Christy's Crazy Crafty Life. So make sure to check it out. So much inspiration, and I love her unboxings. Oh my goodness, Alice in Wonderland. And these are wood veneer. Colored shapes. Now, how fun would this be to put on a journal cover? Oh my gosh, this is from Stamperia. Oh, I have the paper pad. I do not have this, so this is inspiring me to start pulling that paper pad out and working on my Alice in Wonderland themed journal. I see my rabbit. I love the rabbit. And then we have, oh, how cute are these paper clips, floral paper clips from Doodlebug. Oh my gosh, cute animal and cake stickers. This is amazing. I love it. I am going to pack this up for an upcoming trip because we are going to be dining out a lot, I'm sure. So this will be perfect to put in my travel journal. Thank you so much. Now let's have a look and see what her design team project looks like. All right, guys, here it is, center stage. Let's open it up. When she showed this book box project, I was just amazed. It is so cute. And right now, I can't remember the name of the digital, but I will link the original project share video that she shared so you can find out all the fun details. Oh my goodness, take a look at that. Isn't this book box just adorable? Look at the way she's decorated here on the side. Let's look at this side here. And the digital is just adorable. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. I can see that there's some texture on the eyes. I don't know if she added some Nouveau drops maybe. I'll have Alex, you know, you'll have to see her project. And then Here she has done some fuzzy cutting and added some dimension to the flowers. Oh my gosh. So let's open up. I think I'm going to start with the book first because I want to show you how adorable this is. Book 1. This is just such an amazing price pack. Oh my goodness. All the die cuts. We have flowers. Look at that foil. Oh my gosh. Look at that amazing strawberry. I'll put it right there so you can see it. And we have butterflies, some fern. Oh my gosh. This takes a lot of love and a lot of work to kind of layer up. I am super excited to embellish a project with some of these beautiful pieces and save them also for spring. You can also use florals in the fall season. Like this one is so pretty. And the fern, oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. You are so patient and oh my gosh, that takes a lot of time. Oh, I love this. Look at that. She has added some of the thread in the button, sewn it on. But what a beautiful piece. And we have the other beautiful butterfly and floral die cuts in there. So that's book number 1. I'm just going to lay that there. Let's open up the next one. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's changing back and forth. Look at that gnome. Look. Oh my gosh. That is super cute. This is what it looks like here. My friend Corn from Cornflower Crafts, I'm sure, is going to enjoy seeing these gnomies here. And this digital is amazing. So inside, she has placed some wood veneer tags. Oh my gosh. Look at the variety of goodies in here. Let me just set that down. There is sunshine in my soul. I love the sunnies and the bee. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. There's so many stuff. Love the butterflies. This reminds me of my dear crafty friend BB who loves butterflies. And look at that bike. Oh, I love it. Now, what is this? Oh, that is gorgeous. I am definitely gonna include this in my fall gratitude journal. There is so much to be thankful for, and I feel so blessed to be so lucky to win this amazing prize pack. Look at that. This will be fun to alter. Oh my goodness. Super cool. Isn't this amazing, guys? Oh my gosh, let me just show you. Look at that. Just super cool. She's added so many goodies in here. I love the embossing of the butterflies, and those tickets are awesome. Oh wow, this is like a little flip. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. And then there you have an immediate little floating journal card with tags, and you can write on the back. And then we have some washi samples. Oh my gosh. That is super cute. Love the galaxies and the moon, celestial type themed one. Isn't that just so pretty? I love it. Thank you so much. So I'm going to put this in here. Let's open up the next one because I know that the clock is ticking and my memory drive for my phone is a little bit funky, but oh my goodness, how cute is this trio? That is so adorable. When Emmy was small, one of her first Halloweens, I dressed her up like a ladybug. I'll try and see if I can put the little insert shot of that, but this reminds me so much of her and her cousin who actually dressed like a little bumblebee. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I love the way you made these book boxes, and she's added more of these wonderful brass pieces. I love vintage, so this will go well with my journals. We have more of these wonderful embellishments, some pearl little gemmies. Oh my gosh. And we got some mint ribbons in there. And again, this is a wonderful idea for a swap. So I think you will find so much inspiration just by looking at her project shares. Oh my gosh, look at that. It says welcome. We have that adorable bumblebee. And then here is the side. Oh my gosh. This literally makes me so happy. I mean, it's so fun to open up Happy Mail. And when you know that someone's put so much love and effort into it, it is just super special. So again, Alex, thank you so much for this wonderful prize pack. It is so very sweet. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And we got all these cuties in here. Little stickers. Oh, Merry gift. This is such a gift and a big hug. Oh my gosh. And what's at the bottom? There's something in the envelope. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, this is so sweet. That'll be perfect to put on outgoing mail. And then we have cute little die cuts with the hearts. Oh my gosh, what does it say? Hold on. The sun. It says fun in the sun. So cute. I love it. And we have a few more goodies in here. Oh my gosh, it is packed with goodness. This is a beautiful little patch from the Paper Gang. It says be nice. And then look at what she made. This is perfect for Happy Mail when sending off. Got a little pocket. This is one sheet. We got this cute little square doilies or die cuts. I love that. Oh my gosh, adorable stickers. Let's see the cuties. Let me see. Oh my gosh, look at him. Aw, with the flowers. And then we have a little pocket here with some tags. How cool is that? Love it. And then we have another one of these cute little pockets. So it's a double pocket, top loading. Then you have this little tuck with these tags. Oh my gosh. And there's so much I can use here to decorate it, add it to my journals. Oh my gosh, super, super cute. Let me just see what's in here. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love dragonflies. Look at that dragonfly. We got a letter. Oh my goodness. And this says, between the pages of a book is a lovely place to be. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. And then we got this butterfly, but let me show you what the inside looks like. It is such an adorable digital, and she made really good use of all the images. You can see that she's fuzzy cut it, added some of these gem enamel dots, and just, wow, just made it pop. And then you have these cuties on the side, and then we have this on the back. And I love that touch on the eye, adding some shimmer inside the eyes. It just adds so much character and also creating dimension with the cut aparts. So there you have it, guys. This is an amazing, super amazing Happy Mail. Again, I want to say a big, big thank you to Alex. Please make sure to check out her channel, A Bullet for My Snail Mail. This is super, super awesome. And also a big thank you to Misty from Mystical Misty 1 for the amazing Halloween Happy Mail. I just love it. Isn't this adorable? Sorry about that light. Super, super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Happy Mail unboxing. Here is Misty's little Halloween card that we received in this beautiful price pack that I received from Alex. Make sure to check out these wonderful ladies' channels. I'll link it down below. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.